Okay, 2019 Chevy half-ton pickup, Silverado. Pickup Endgate with the push button tailgate. Doesn't open when you push the button. If you kind of apply slight pressure, it opens. But if you first hit the button, it doesn't. So, General Motors updated updated the actuator and released it in a silent special coverage. So, just wanted to show everybody the new design and how to replace it themselves in case they aren't under that special coverage and have to do it themselves, save some money. There are screws all around the edge. And the end gate cover will come up. There's our actuator. CPA connector. Insurance. Same rubbish. Going to rotate. Let's see. Give 10 minutes. There's the old one. Installation is in reverse order. I'll set the new part in. Start our nuts, we're going to have to grab a torque wrench and torque those to spec, because the impact will over torque them and you'll end up breaking or stripping the nuts or bolts. So, get these to reconnect. Insert the metal rod in the center, and then rotate this clip. Rotate the clip around. Try to hold this one where you can see it better. Torque our bolts to spec. And we're good to go.